Guys, today I'm going to make a video about my parrot. Let's start. This is my parrot. We didn't named it yet, but his actual breed is grey parrot. He's from Africa. So its full name is African grey parrot. And look, his tail is orange. And he eats lots of things. Of course, every animal drinks water. And not just animals, us also. And he eats sunflower seeds. And we have cut his wings. One of the wings we have cut. And his eye color is yellow. I will show you. See? And this is his cage. Now, this is my video about my parrot.